What's going on, penny boys and gals? It's your boy, What the Duck here, and it's time for another trading class video. So yesterday we went over the Discord in general, how the channels work, where they are, how to find them, all the basics. Today we'll be going over the Discord a little bit more in detail as far as the advanced features go. That will help you as far as finding the alerts and just navigating the Discord. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So first, we're going to go into the Discord. We're going to start with the bots. So we have our alert info bot. This is one of our two bots that we have. It tracks the movement of the alert. So as you can see here, it shows you that CVAC is up 11%. This one's up 25%. So it shows you how the alerts are doing. But what you can also do is you can look up alerts. So all you got to do is you just press exclamation point, OA, and then you do a ticker. So for instance, let's do DGLY. You're going to press enter, and then you're going to go to your DMs, and you'll see that you get a DM from Penny Boys. So it's a little Penny Boy bot, DGLY, swing trade open, and it shows you the play. It shows you when it was alerted, the percent change, the current price, the entries, the targets. It shows you the whole alert, and you can do this with any alert as long as it's in the system. You just type in the alert, and the Penny Boy bot will DM you the actual alert. In order to do that, once again, is you go to alert info bot, you press OA space, there's no comma, just exclamation point OA space, and then the ticker. Let's do another one. What's another? SPI I think was a ticker at one point. And then you just go to your DMs, and it tells you all about SPI and the percent change, the current price, and the most recent alert. So that's how you look up alerts. You can also do view, which is exclamation point view. And then that will show you all the open and closed plays as well, right here in the channel. There are also some other commands you can look up in the pin messages, which we'll get into a little bit later, how to figure out how the pin messages work. You also have the stock bot. This is more for just stocks in general. So the alert bot info is for alerts only. The stock bot is for any kind of stock. So all you do is you just do TA space, and then you just type in a ticker. Let's do XSPA. So TA stands for technical analysis, and then what's going to happen is the bot will show you the technical analysis for that stock. So the support levels, resistance levels, last price, the 52-week high. If you want to look at the bio for XSPA, you can do that as well. Exclamation point bio. Now you can see what the stock is all about. You can also go to the pin messages and click this link right here, and that will bring you to all the different commands that you can use for the stock bot to look up different information. So you're probably thinking, what is a pin message? Well, if you go up here, it's going to be right in the middle. You're going to see the words pin messages. Let me make this bigger. So right here is a little pin. It looks like a pin. It's going to say pin messages is next to the members list and the notification button. So you're going to press pin messages, and it'll bring up all the pin messages. In this case, there's just one. A lot of the channels do have pin messages. In a lot of the case, it's just showing you how the channel works. Like I know that the cash giveaway, if you go to pin messages, it'll show you how the cash giveaways work. In PBU chat, pin messages has some of the top posts that were posted that could help people. Different things about SEC filings and other things like that. So you can go to the pin messages to see some of that. But that's how you do that. You just click the little pin icon. So that is pin messages. Let's go over the alert format next, just so you guys know how to read the alerts. So you go to any of the alerters, and you're going to look for one of these from the Penny Boy bot. And first you have your ticker, which is the stock. Next up is the type of play it is. In this case, it's a long swing. It could be a day trade, which means you're in and you're out at the end of the day. A swing could be anywhere between 2 days to a couple weeks to a month to 3 months, no longer than 3 months. And then a long swing, or even a retirement alert, is 3 months or longer. Or in a long swing case, it could be like a month to 3 months to even longer. So then you have your ideal entry. This is where we are looking to enter below. And when I say we, we're talking about the alerter. Us in particular, as far as the trader goes, we enter when we feel like it is based off of our plan, based off of our due diligence. This is definitely a good price to use as a base to go off of when you're doing your own due diligence. The way that I look at it is the ideal entry is a nice support level, and then your targets are nice resistance levels. So support levels, support means this is where the stock might be bouncing off of. So it might have found the bottom and now might be going back up. The resistance level means a resistance level is where a stock is already going up, and it's a level where it might have a price that the stock is having trouble going up above. And the support level is a price that the stock is having trouble basically going below as far as the bears go. So like I said, just because it says 2.65, $3, $3.50 does not mean you have to be getting in exactly at 2.65 or even under 2.65. This is just an alert. It's not saying you have to do this in order to make money. This is just giving you, based off of good due diligence, based off of great technical analysis, fundamental analysis, these are giving you good price points to base your own due diligence off of, because everybody trades differently. Everyone has different risk tolerance, different buy-in methods, different plans. So we use these as a guide, but they're not like the the Bible where you have, it's not like you have to do exactly what these prices are saying. It's more of a guide. So let's go over the support bots or support tickets. Speaking of support and resistance, we have our support tickets. So this is actually run by a bot, so it is kind of like a support bot. How it works is if you have any questions about your account, you press the button or the number that best goes along with what your question is about, and then it will DM you, and then you'll be able to open a ticket. Tickets will appear up here depending on what your ticket is. If it's billing support, technical support, it'll be under one of these types of tickets, and then the administrators will get back to you and help you with whatever your question is. Next up is the raffles. So how do we get into these raffles? So every Monday we give away every Thursday, we just changed it for 2021. It used to be Monday in 2020. Thursday now for 2021, every Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern time zone. We give away $75 cash in our live streams. How that works is you can enter by either A, reporting spam. So a lot of people, or bots, a lot of times it's bots come into our server and just spam message a bunch of people. Is really annoying to our members. So in order for us to try to make it so that doesn't happen, we have a report spam area. We can report spam, and we will ban those members, so you're not going to be getting millions of notifications over and over again. It's just to protect our members, and just also so it's not so annoying for the people working 9 to 5 just getting a million notifications because of a bunch of bots. So every time that you report spam, you can get a raffle ticket for our cash giveaway. You can also go down to the cash giveaway contest area and go to the pin messages and see how to enter the cash giveaway. One way to do it is you post on any social media platform. You include this link above right here, and then you will get an entry into the raffle as long as you take a screenshot of it and post it into the cash giveaway channel. So, and the reason we do that is just to get our name out there so that other new traders who might be struggling don't end up quitting. Instead they find Penny Boys and they go through Penny Boys University and they learn how to make a trading plan and trade based off of that plan so that they actually can start being profitable in the long run, and as opposed to just getting lucky on random gambling, which usually leads to bag holding and then eventually just a big red portfolio and then giving up. So we want to, this is a great way to make some profits in the stock market, and we want to give everyone the opportunity because we know there's a lot of people out there, trying to take away from that. So that is our raffle. You can also, looks like we got a call going on. We do have our live stream coming up in a little bit. We do that every Wednesday at 3 p.m. Eastern time zone, but we'll be going over that in a minute. So anyway, so we have that's the raffle. You can also go up here to our refer a friend area. If you refer a friend, get them to message Laser to tell Laser that you are the one that referred them. Well, then you can get a ticket for our even bigger raffle, which is 3 $500 cash prize giveaways. And then, of course, we have our Penny Boys University area where you can gain raffle tickets by doing the classes, doing the homework. We give out raffle tickets for people who get 100% on the homework. And that is going to be the results come out every Thursday during the PBU live stream. Homework's due 3:30 p.m. Eastern time zone. So next up, we're going to be going over notifications. So if you go into a channel, If you want to have it muted, you just click this little bell and it'll mute it for you, so you won't get notified whenever someone posts in there. Or you can go up here, click this button right here for you, and then just go to notification settings, scroll down, and then you can search different channels, and then either have all the you get notified when every time that there's a message. You can get notified every time someone mentions you or the group you're in, group being premium member, Penny Boys University, whatever tag that you have, or you can just mute it altogether. We suggest that you keep the alert channels all unmuted, as well as Penny Boys University. That way you can get notified whenever something gets posted in Penny Boys University or when there is an alert posted. And last up is the live streams and then searching for alerts. So if you go to how to find alert info, it'll show you how to search for different alerts. One way is go to the search button. You can search by user. So right here, you'll press from, and then you can type in the user, and it'll show you all the posts from that user. And you can even type in like a keyword or a ticker, and it'll show you all the posts from that user about that ticker. So you can also do that as far as the channels go. You can go in, and you can do like alert info, and then you can do, let's just say, what's a ticker that we have probably in alert info? SNX, for instance. SNX, you click it, and then, oh wait, I did SNGX. So SNX, alert info, SNX, and now you're looking for every single post about SNX in alert info right there. So now every single post about SNX in alert info will come up, and I go over how all this works in the handout in detail with all the different, like a little key that tells you how to search everything. But you can do it from, which searches by user. You can do it in, which searches by channel, or you can combine them. You can do from Big Quench, in alert info, SNX, and it'll show you every single thing that Big Quench posts in alert info about SNX. Last up is the live streams, which we're actually going to be doing one really soon. In order to join the live stream areas, you just click the live stream chat and you're in, and then you can disconnect by pressing disconnect. Once you're in, make sure that you are not deafened, otherwise you will not be able to hear anything. But that is as far as joining the live stream goes. And the Dad's House is for our live streams for premium members only. It's usually like teaching areas where the Big Quench or Lee or one of our other administrators will do like a class about just anything, or just live trading in Dad's House. The lounge is a voice chat for the members. You can unmute yourself. Anyone can join in there and talk amongst themselves. And then, of course, we have the free live stream area, which is the same thing as Dad's House, except it's for free people as well. All right, so that's about it. So that's the Discord as far as the more advanced parts of it goes. Definitely check out the handout. It goes over all of it in detail. I'm going to go ahead and head over to that stream, the trading with the live stream trading. Our live streams we do every Monday at 9 p.m. Eastern Time Zone. We do trading with Tagman. This is just basic trading tips and tricks for new traders. Every Wednesday we do live trading power hour. So it's a live trading session with our alerter, Big Quench, as well as Fast Eddie and Mr. Stocklock Profits, another one of our premium alerters. And that is 3 p.m. Eastern Time Zone every Wednesday. And then Thursday, 9 p.m. Eastern Time Zone is our PBU live stream. So I hope to see you there. But until then, I hope that you all make some bread.